how to open CSV file in Rstudio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So I have this sample CSV file that I want to open in here. So when I open it up, this is what's inside the CSV file right there. So I have the order ID, customer name, product, category, order date, quantity, unit price, total price, and region. So yeah, so let's just open up Rstudio and then let's just create a new file right here. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to install packages. So let's just type in install.packages. And then after that, let's just put in tidyverse right there. And then after that, let's just type in library. There you go. And then let's just type in tidyverse. There you go. And then after that, what we want to do now is go to session right here on the top, click on session. And after that, click on set working directory and then just click on choose directory. And then from here, what you want to do is to look for the location and where you have that CSV file. So for me, my CSV file is in my desktop. So I'll just set it to my desktop right here. So I'll just click on open and then there you go. And then after that, what we're going to do now is to create a variable. So for example, I'll just create a random variable right there. I'll just name it CSV and then just type in this arrow sign right there. And then after that, just put in read_CSV. There you go. Put some quotation marks right there. And then after that, just type in the name of your CSV file. So the name of my CSV file right here in my desktop is sample.csv. So I'll just type that in Rstudio. There you go. Sample.csv. And then there you go. And then once you're done, you're pretty much done. We can now run it. So I'll just click on run right there. Click on allow. And then there you go. So as you can see right here in the right side, we now have our data right there. So we can open it up. And then there you go. We now have our CSV file right here opened in Rstudio. So in here, I'll get to see the order ID, the customer name, the product, the category, the order date, and etc. etc. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open CSV file in Rstudio.